change screens?
As of now, no.
Okay.
As of now, no. But
Right.
yes, that if there is a requirement, pressing requirement, we can see to it. And if since we own the code, it's our own solution,
Right.
right? If we have to customize for you, probably we can see the
Because
scope
the
and look
requirement
forward
is
it.
like if somebody is giving a exam for us, because generally like for
Yeah,
having somebody.
I got
Got
your
it, got it.
point. ये अभी तक आया नहीं था request, but yeah, it's a valid thing,
Yeah,
and I'm
yeah,
surprised why our education customers they haven't asked for it. So it's an interesting input which can definitely be added.
right. Okay. Now, Amit, so there can be अभी मैंने आपने raise hand किया था. I granted you permission and you came to the stage. We call this as come. You come to the stage and you have spoken to the presenter. There can be 1,000 more people who is watching us, right? Speaking.
Right.
I will push you back again to the audience, right? And then change this room again to a meeting mode.
Okay.
Okay. So I'm revoking the access. You have actually revoked, and then probably I will change this again to a switch room to a presenter mode. There, Amit. Amit, you're back.
Yeah. Right.
Okay. One more important thing, which the feature which I want to demonstrate
There's
is,
there's just one more thing I want to point is like on a video front. So we are having this virtual backgrounds.
yeah,
So generally, virtual background is generally is available with a preview.
yeah.
But I think in this case, the moment I will switch it on, my video will go for the meeting. It won't be a preview mode.
You are not preview. Okay, preview for the virtual background, right?
Virtual background. So basically,
Bef-
like if somebody like I'm on a off video and even like Zoom and Microsoft Teams, they give you option of before joining
Yeah,
meeting,
Amit,
you can
we
preview
are
on.
actually we are on the sort of a live test environment, and there is some work which is going on to this
yeah.
specific feature.
Yeah. So
So
basically,
that
like I
will,
was just trying this virtual background.
yeah, yeah,
So,
yeah.
so then it is asking me to switch on the video for this. So generally, like when I'm tying a virtual background,
No,
then
I got that. The video won't go live. It is just that you will get the preview
the
of it.
preview. And
Yeah,
when I
yeah,
want it to be on, then I can switch it on.
yeah. It is.
Right,
It
right.
is like that only, but it is just that you're on the. I mean, we are not on the production environment. We are on our
Testing
live.
environment. Yeah.
Correct, correct, correct. So, and this is the area we know things are being worked out.
Okay, okay.
Couple of filters actually are not even working on this environment. So
Right.
I'll be more than honest you on with you on that. But yeah, that's available as a feature.
Okay.
And then what a very important feature which I wanted to really demonstrate is that in a organization like PTA, it may happen that if there is a meeting happening, for example, not a meeting, maybe a panel discussion, which is a public event, for example, and you want this to go to a larger audience or probably to your own channel in of PTI in YouTube. This meeting conversation, whatever is happening, we can directly live telecast or live feed it to the YouTube. I have done that. In fact, I have put this
So when you say live stream, so you do a HLS stream or RTMP?
RTMP.
RTMP.
Yeah.
And which areas we can take? Can we select the areas which will be broadcasted?
Yep. I mean, no. As of now, the RTMP client or what you see is actually a built-in feature, right? But if you are using our SDKs and APIs, you can design your own client that is
No,
selectable.
no. What I'm saying is like there's a screen which where we are having this right now. I can see the enablex and other things also mentioned, and then the left side option, the group option, chat option, whiteboard is there. If
Yeah.
I want only the video to be going out in a RTMP speed, so can
Yes.
I select the screen which will be streamed?
So at this moment, so what I'm doing is just to demonstrate this, we are only sending the video, but that layout is a fixed layout as of now. So if you see, I have just put a link on the chat video, a YouTube link. Just open this link on a different browser tab, and you can see we are not sending any breaks or anything. We are just sending only the video.
It is not clickable link. I'm just copy pasting on the
Yeah, yeah,
YouTube.
yeah, yeah. The YouTube, the RTMP will be delayed for another maybe another 5 6 seconds, but that's how the RTMP works. That's okay. Can you see? Is the video playing on YouTube? Can you see?
Yeah,
Is the
yeah,
video
yeah,
playing on
yeah.
YouTube?
It's playing. It's playing. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. So I have put that on my private channel, so nobody else is watching us actually. I have put that on my private channel, so nobody else is watching us
It
actually.
is
I have put
the
that on my
video.
private channel, so nobody else is watching us
It
actually.
is
I have put that on my private channel.
the video was showing, but the only issue is that it is also showing me that the recording and other timing and other options also over there.
Yeah. So
Because
you
like
want
if we want only the video, no other information on that.
perfect, you can always do that, right? So we have this ready to use embeddable UI, which you can embed in any of your applications. Say suppose you have a website, you put that in HTML page in iframe,
Right.
remove the whatever you don't want, that can be done.
Okay. That's right. Great.
Perfect. And that is, I think, a
And how is the licensing of the product?
so normally typically we work on a per minute of usage model, but I think based on your model, we are very much flexible. We can work out the way you want it, and then we can figure out how to do it.
No, maybe like if you can give me some idea that how the licensing works, how much you have to pay for, if we are having a meeting for around 2 to 3 hours every day, 2 hours or
Okay.
3 hours every day. So how much you have to pay in a month?
So how many participants will be part of those meetings? Probably.
So it could be around 25 to 30 participants in 3 meetings, which
Okay.
will be half an hour duration each,
Okay.
20 to 30 minutes. And there could be other which will be 10 to 15 participants, and the duration can be higher. It can be 1 or 2 hours, 3 hours also.
Perfect. See, normally what we do, Amit, normally that's the model which we follow is that we charge you on usage. That means per minute per participant of connection time.
And what is the charge?
That normally ranges from 10 paisa to 30 paisa.
So 30 paisa per participant per minute. So
But
if we are having 20 participants,
if
so
you
it will
calculate,
come.
the way I'm saying, it will be huge money which will be coming up as per your
Yeah.
usage. I
Yeah.
understand that. But then we can work out a model also where it will be a fixed cost per host, right? Probably, some $10 or $12, and then you do unlimited calls.
Right. So that's what I want an idea on the licensing part also.
Yeah, yeah.
How
So
we can have the licensing of this.
we can work out that. So far, I think it's $12 for a room size of 50 participant, up to 50 participant, and then unlimited callings and everything, right? But
So 12
for
$12 per month for unlimited parties for 50
yeah,
participants.
for 50 participants,
Okay.
unlimited meetings.
So this 50 participants are the concurrent ones, or they'll be the fixed users?
No, anybody. So
Anybody.
host will be one. He can invite, and he can create rooms or meetings
If we
which can
want,
have 50 participants.
if we want like multiple hosts, so
Yeah,
maybe like multiple instance running
yeah,
of meeting. So two or
yeah.
three. So we need to have multiple host licenses,
Yes, you're right.
right,
A particular license can have one meeting at a time.
at a time.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So maybe if we go for the some 2 to 3 license, so we have to, and you are saying this $10 per thing,
Yeah.
$10 per license.
Correct. So that's how it goes. But probably, so this $10 pricing comes based on certain volumes, and but I think Dheeraj will, we can figure out that what is that volumes and all capacity. I don't know much. But if you are only 2 to 3 licenses and only this, I think your per minute usage based will be cheaper. That's what I feel. Let's do the math separately.
Right. Okay.
Amit, let's look at the functionality and the use case. Then we'll start looking at the volumes that will be and at what kind of cost will come to.
Yes.
I mean, just the idea was to give you a broad feel of the application. So as you can run it in your head and see where all we can use it.
And this is running through AWS right now,